Let's start a demo. This is the trailhead page. From here, you click this icon and click the hands on arc, and it will list all the playgrounds you have already created. Click the launch button so that it will be redirected to a developer edition. This is the landing page of developer edition, or you can say it as a playground. If you have any doubts about developer edition, please see our previous video about developer edition and playground added in this playlist. Please click the gear button and click the setup button. It will be redirected to setup page. To create an object, please click Object Manager. Here you can see the list of objects in Salesforce org. To create a new custom object, please click Create button, which is in the top of right corner. New custom object page will be loaded, where you have to give the name and label of which you are going to create. If you want to create an object related to an employee, I will give the label name as employee. Once the label value entered, object name will be automatically populated. This is the name you have to use it for all backend purposes. In plural label, you have to mention the plural name of the object. In our case, it is employees. Description is the optional value, but for better understanding, you have to give the description about the purpose of the object which you are going to create. An object should be created at least with a single field. So let me create it with the name employee name first. And if you want more fields, you can add it later. Later I will show you how to add it. Here I am giving data type as text. I will explain object classification in detail in our upcoming videos. Deployment status. If the object creator chooses in development, this object will not be shown to the user for creation or modification of records in this object. If it is moved to deployment, then the user can see this object and create or modify records in this object. If you choose allow search, then only this object will be shown in global search results. In the object creation options, there are two checkboxes related to notes and attachments and custom tabs. Without knowing notes and attachment and what is custom tab, it is difficult to explain. So I will explain about this in future videos. I am not going to choose these two options now. Once you click the save button, the object is created. In this page, you can give object-specific configurations, fields and relationships, page layouts, record page, buttons, and links, etc. Click the field and relationships to create fields for this object. Like I mentioned earlier, created by, last modified by, and owner are the default standard fields already created along with the custom objects. But employee name is a custom field created at the time of object creation by us. So now we successfully created a custom object in Salesforce. We will see other modes of object creation in our upcoming videos. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you guys.